Hey guys, welcome back to Code Orbit, and today is day 7 of doing Codeforces till I reach the Grandmaster level. So today's problem is named the helpful maths problem. It is given that Xenia, the beginner mathematician, is a third year student at elementary school. She is now learning the addition operation. The teacher has written down the sum of multiple numbers. Pupils should calculate the sum. To make the calculation easier, the sum only contains 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Still, that isn't enough for Xenia. She's only beginning to count, so she can only calculate sum if the sum ends following non-decreasing order, which means increasing order. For example, she can't calculate 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, but she can calculate 1 plus 1 plus 2 and 3 plus 3, because here it is decreasing order, 3 then 2, but here it is increasing order. We have got the sum that was written on the board. We arrange the sums, print the sum in such a way that the India can calculate the sum. The first line contains a non-empty string S. The sum linearly is found. String S contains no spaces. It only contains digits and character plus. Without string S is the correct sum of number 1, 2, and 3. So it is given there will be only 1, 2, and 3 in it. So here is the input where we are given 3 plus 2 plus 1 in decreasing order. And we have to print it, or maybe you can say sort it in increasing order 1 plus 2 plus 3. And here it is also given. Yeah. So what we are going to do is, let's say, here we are given a string S, and in which, let's say, we'll be given 1 plus 2 plus 1, then plus 3. And we need to output, let's say, out. We need to output string, let's say, 1, then plus 1, then 2, and then 3, which means a sorted version of this. So it is given that there will only be 1, 2, and 3 in our string with these plus symbols. Mm, You can also remove this, but it will, I guess, be a hectic task, as it will also involve some string functions. String functions. So what we will do, guys, is we will just count the frequency of 1, 2, and 3. Like how many 1 are there, then 2, and then 3. And what we will do is create, let's say, an empty string, and inside that we will insert 1, 2, 3 in order, and with the plus symbol. Let's say we get 1, there are 3 ones, 2, there are 1, and 3 frequencies 2. So what we will insert in our string is, first we will add all the ones, 1, then a symbol 1, plus 1, plus 1, then we will enter 2, plus 2, and then plus 3. Okay, sorry, 2 is only one time. Yeah, so this is the setup. So let's go to VS Code and complete it. First, we will take a string, take the input of the string, and then we will declare a frequency. Let's say, and mm, what I can give is a sum, one sum. Okay, sum of 1 is equal to 0, sum of 2 is equal to 0, and sum of 3 is equal to 0. Now we will do is we will iterate a loop in our string. So for iterating over characters in a string, what you can do is you can simply use this iterator of character where char c is string. So what it does is, let's say you have an apple string, apple. So it will start from here, 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 and up to the last one, and it will iterate through its letters. Thus, C iterator here. So what we'll do, if A is equal to 1, we will say sum of 1 plus plus, or okay, let's don't go else. So we'll just say if A is equal to 2, then sum of 2 is plus plus here, and for what are equal to sign here. Yeah, I will just copy it here and change the value to 3. This also 3. Now we have gotten our frequencies. Now what we can do is, I think, let's try this. While C minus minus, okay, sorry, C minus minus, I'm saying sum 1 minus minus. What we can do is, okay, let's take here one more string. Mm, string result, this one. What I can do is this, and I will push back 1 into that. And if, and remember guys, if it is not the last one, um, I guess we have given that it will certainly contain 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay, so what we can do, guys, is I think, uh, okay, simply I can just say 1 and okay, S, I think res, sorry, res, which is our result in string, plus equal to plus. Okay. Yeah, and I will copy it 2 more times here and here, change the values here and here also. Now, I think one thing to notice that I was thinking while solving it, let's go to here. Let's say we have gotten the frequency of 1 3 times, and 2 is 0, 3 is also 0. So what will happen is that in the frequency, let's say while someone is equal to 3, so for first time, what it will do is in our res string, it will add 1, then plus, and then we will minus minus it. It will become sum of 1 is equal to 2. Then what it will do? 1 plus. And finally, when sum of 1 is equal to 1, then what it will do is 1 and plus, and finally it will become 0. So what you can see is here we are getting an extra plus in the last. Uh, what I meant to say that even if there are no elements left, it will always print an extra plus sign because we are putting both elements. So what we need to do is remove this last plus sign completely. So I guess what I can do is uh, I will check if I will check if my string is not empty, then only I will uh, pop the last element. So the pop back, what it does, it uh, pop back, it removes from last index an element from the last index. Okay. So, and lastly, what we need to do is simply outer a string, and here I will come and let's just check, guys. Okay, so yeah, I will copy this one, and what is our expected output is this. Okay, so yeah, it is running. Let's see. I don't think there is any more problem. Yeah, so this one is passing. I will create another test case of single element. Let's see. Oh, yeah, so this also passed. And yeah, let's check for only single consecutive elements. Let's say 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, let's say 2. I will run it. Uh, since it is already sorted, I guess I will just add something more here. I think this is the complete solution for this. Yeah, it is solving it correctly. I will copy my whole code, go here and submit it. Okay, now submit. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, no worries, guys. The solution is accepted successfully. And so yeah, this was it for day 7, guys. And thank you so much for watching. And bye bye.